Hello everyone, Captain Rafa here. Today we have again my X431 PRO3s Plus from Launch, and we're gonna test one of the function I have promised last time. So BST360 battery clamps tested. Yeah, we press here, then we press battery health test. Yeah, so and then we have this message. So we're gonna test common battery. It's my common battery from my 2005 Jeep Grand Cherokee, 780 amps, cranking amps. So we press next, then it's European standard, so we pressed European, and now we are supposed to choose 780, so that one. We're gonna do like that one. It's the same problem like on Tingliak, so we do manually. So you have some presets here, then we press next, 780, it's 780. Battery power status 87%, battery voltage, battery life status and health 68%. Resistance, it's good battery. Okay, so now we're gonna to test next. You can end this test, but you can also do next test, start system test. Okay, please turn off all electrical components, including car lights, radios, conditioners, so on. Okay, everything off. Confirm. Yeah, click to confirm and start the engine. Okay, click confirm and we start the engine. Yeah, like you see, start duration 10.55 volts normal, and then we go to next step. We can end this test, but we're gonna check another one test, charging health test. We go here, please start the engine before testing to make sure it has started. Okay, we go here, please increase speed to 2500 RPMs and keep in 5 seconds. Okay, and we have finally results, so we can end this test. Everything's normal. Yeah, and like you see, there is all results here. You can share and you can print out. It looks like that one. Yeah. So thanks for today. Like, subscribe, share, and if you want to buy me coffee, you're gonna find this down there on the link. Until next time.